Hey guys, I'm showing you this bird feeder with camera. It's a solar powered 1080 pixel smart bird feeder, and it's a auto capture bird videos and motion. This also comes with a 32 gigs memory card and a card reader. So it's a whole package that you can use out of the box. So let's open it and then see what's inside and how this is work. So this is the whole whatever is in the box. So this is the bird feeder. It's a small size bird feeder, and this one are the all accessories, like you can mount it with a different ways and things that I will explain. This is the 32 gigs memory card that comes with it, and the belt. Uh, so yeah so you have to just install. It's pretty straightforward. This is the card reader that you can use to take out the photos from the bird feeder. So I'm just taking this solar panel protection, and here you can put all the bird feeds. This is for the water that you can put, or this is for the nectar. If you want to put, so you can just take this out, put the nectar inside, and then put the top of it. So this is a multi-use, and here is for the charging, and then the memory card slot. So I will just put in the memory card here that comes with it. So this is a 32 gigs memory card, micro SD. So you have to just put it in the back for the storage, and this is a USB-C charging, so you can either can charge with a USB-C if it is like no sun for a long time, or you can just put it in the sun if it's a really good bright sun. So here you can see the charging on and off button, so that you can use, and this is for the mount that you can use in the back or in the bottom. So basically it's nice, and the camera itself is a 2 megapixel HD camera, and the clarity, so which can record both images as well as video. So here, like, you can use it in the back and then put the other hook to add it, or in the bottom. So there is a two-way that you can use, and you can put it on this one, and then this is a belt that comes, so it goes in the back, and you can put it on a tree or a pillar or anywhere you want to use it that way. So it's pretty straightforward and includes all the accessories that you can use, and yeah, this is pretty great. So now I will just put it outside, or just show you some of the features. So this is the on and off button, as I mentioned. So once on, you can see the screen on the bird feeder itself, and you can just choose the different mode, and just search of the thing. So this is the motion sensor in the middle, and here you have all the options, and these options have like the images or video, or both images and video, and the setting, playback. So you can just try all this, and just do the settings. So once this is all done, it's recording, you can go in the playback and see. So I will just put in, and just go outside. So this is the manual that describes all of what I said. So it's pretty straightforward, and you can directly use it outside. So I put it on this pole, and you can see all the settings that is very clearly visible, and it will take the front usage. And here is like the bird in the front that comes.